In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can update or replace a file in Dropbox without changing its shared link. This is especially useful if you need to make updates to a document or any file that you've already shared with others, and you want to ensure that they always have access to the latest version without any additional work on their part. Let's walk through the process together to make sure it's as clear and simple as possible. First things first, you need to access Dropbox either through the website by going to dropbox.com or via the Dropbox folder synced on your local device. Whichever method you choose, the approach will be essentially the same. It's all about ensuring that you keep the same access point to the file so your links remain intact. Now, before you upload the new version of your file, pay close attention to its file name. The file name of the new version must be absolutely identical to the original, including its extension. This is crucial because Dropbox's method of recognizing files relies heavily on these names. If they differ in the slightest, Dropbox will see it as an entirely new file, which is not what we want for this process. Once you've confirmed that your new file's name matches the original exactly, the next step is to upload or copy this updated version into the same folder location where the original resides. When you do this, make sure to overwrite the existing file by replacing it, and importantly, without deleting the old file first. If you were to delete the original first, Dropbox would assign an entirely new internal ID to the uploaded file, which would disrupt the existing shared link. Dropbox is designed to retain the internal ID of the file as long as you merely overwrite it. This means that the shared link you provided earlier doesn't change, and now automatically points to your updated file. This seamless update process ensures minimal disruption for anyone relying on that link. Finally, after Dropbox has had a moment to sync the changes, it's good practice to test the link. To do this, you can open the link in an incognito window or on a different browser where you are not logged into Dropbox. This step will help you confirm that the updated content is indeed visible and accessible to those with whom you shared the link. And there you have it, a simple way to update files without the hassle of changing shared links. This method keeps your workflows smooth and ensures anyone accessing your shared documents or files always gets the most current version. Happy updating!